Hey friends, welcome back to our Wow Kitchen. Feel delicious. Today we are going to prepare a special recipe and that is paneer tikka. So come on, let's go. So the ingredients we require are chopped capsicum, chopped onion and chopped paneer, corn flour, salt, pepper powder, garam masala, chili powder, curd, gram flour, ginger garlic paste, chaat masala. So come on, let's start. At first in a tumbler like this, we are going to add the onion, capsicum and the paneer. And then to this, we are going to add some amount of ginger garlic paste. And then some corn flour. Gram flour. It's almost 3 spoons. Salt. Pepper powder, garam masala and chili powder and some amount of chaat masala, and let's add the curd and then let's mix. Masala ingredients what we have added must be coated on the paneer, onion and also the capsicum. In that way you have to stir that or mix that. So now let's leave the paneer the thing for 5 to 10 minutes so that the paneer absorbs the masala items. Now when the mixture gets set, using this kind of stick, we are going to fix the paneer like paneer and the capsicum and the onion like this. You can adjust however you want. See, like this. Let's place a tawa on the stove and then leave it to get heated for a while. When it's heated, let's add bit of oil and spread that off, and then keep on the paneer tikka. And then turn on to the low flame and then leave this for a while. Beyond turning the paneer like this. It almost takes 5 minutes. Now, as it has been turned to the goldish brown color, it's ready. So now it's the time for serve and taste. About the taste to my dad.
Super.
Thank you. So finally, a heartfelt thanks for all of you for watching my video. Thank you. Take care.